The following instructions illustrate the steps necessary to assemble the plate, ink cup, printing pad, product holder, and pad pressure adjustments. We are using the H108 pens in this example. Please refer to your instruction manual for detailed instructions on printing other items. Lay your printing plate on the imprinter with the imprinted side up. Line up the two holes on the plate with the holes on the table of the machine. Insert the two pins to hold the plate in place. With the side arm lever pulled all the way forward, place the ink cup on the top of the plate and screw the ink cup bolt down until it stops. The end of the bolt should line up with the indentation in the top of the ink cup. If necessary, adjust the angle bracket so it is approximately 3/4 of an inch below the height of the table. Make sure the angle bracket bolts are tightened securely. Install the product holder into the center hole on top of the angle bracket. Secure with the included nut. Now install your printing pad. Screw on the printing pad and align it horizontally. Secure it in place with the lock nut. To obtain the best results, the pad pressure must be tested and possibly adjusted. Begin by wiping a small amount of thinner on the imprint area of the printing plate. Pull the pad handle down until it stops, and release the handle to its upright position. For optimum printing, an area approximately 1/8 inch greater than the imprint area should appear as dry. Adjustments may be made with the pad stop screw. Lowering the pad stop screw will increase the pressure on the pad, while raising it will decrease it. Repeat the pad pressure test until the 1/8 inch dry area is achieved. Begin the ink preparation after you have set up your imprinter machine and installed your plate and ink cup. In our example, we use multi-purpose ink. For detailed instructions about specialty ink and flexible materials ink, please refer to your instruction booklet. The process of preparing ink involves the use of your ink scale. Your instruction booklet describes setting up your scale for use with a 9-volt battery or an electrical power supply. Install the scale on a firm, flat surface to ensure proper operation. Press the on key and wait about 10 seconds for point 0 to display. Be sure the scale is measuring in grams. If the scale reads pounds, ounces, hold the on key for 5 seconds and then release. Wait for the scale to read point 0. Place the mixing cup onto the platform. Wait a few seconds for the reading to complete, then press the on key again to clear or tear the weight of the cup. The display will show 2 vertical dots 0 with the 2 dots blinking. For this example, pour 10 grams of ink into the mixing cup as it sits on the weight platform. Once you get to the desired weight, add 1 gram of thinner. Mix well with a stirrer. The ink should be the consistency of syrup when properly mixed. Now the ink is ready to add to your imprinter machine. Remove the rubber stopper from the ink cup and carefully add all of your prepared ink. Then replace the rubber stopper back in the ink cup. Before printing begins, you must ink the plate. This is done by moving the side arm lever back and forth until the print image on the printing plate is covered with ink. Your product is now ready for imprinting. Once you have inked the plate, place your pen onto the product holder. The pen's point should be facing to the left, with the pen clip facing downward. Be sure to slide the pen so the clip catches on the stop in the middle of the pen product holder. Pull the side arm lever all the way forward, which will leave the inked image on your printing plate directly under the printing pad. Pull down the imprinter handle until it stops to transfer the inked image to the printing pad. After you make full contact with the inked image, lift the handle to its upright position. Next, push back the side arm lever so the pen is positioned directly under the printing pad. Pull the imprinter handle all the way down until it stops. This transfers the inked image to your pen. Lift the imprinter handle to its upright position and remove your imprinted product. Be careful not to touch the freshly imprinted area until it dries in a few seconds. Remember to allow additional drying time before handling the product for a long-lasting imprint. For best results, you should ink your pad and print quickly to avoid ink drying on your plate and printing pad. Gently wipe the ink from the plate with thinner applied to a cotton wipe if you notice inadequate product imprint. Re-ink the plate and continue the imprint process on your remaining product. Please refer to your instruction manual for tips on cleaning up and changing your printing plate. If you experience any problems with your imprint, see the troubleshooting guide in your instruction manual or call customer service at 866-663-8373.